Very good. Very nice. Now we are ready to tuck in. Yep.
So I'm going to show you how to make the bed the hotel way. Hi guys, I can give justice sa mga room attendants dito sa hotel. As our colleague will explain kung ano yung mga nilagay ko sa bed. Are you guys ready? Okay, I'm ready. No, wait a minute. First guys is we have to pull the bed. You each have space. Space for yourself. And it's easy. Maglagay na.
So first is the bed sheet. Oh, interesting. They don't have a fitted sheet. So just use a normal flat sheet. Okay, that's okay. But that makes it harder to do actually. So here we go. He's putting on the flat sheet. That's the bed sheet. Looks like. So now he's tucking it into the mattress so that it's all nice and fitted. So this would be much easier if we have the fitted sheet. You just wrap it around and off you go. But this is harder. Okay, so here we go. The corners are all tucked in.
See this one thing, guys. Should be flat. Like for this one, guys. Okay, now.
So he's got to straighten it up, flatten it out rather. Yep, here we go. So now he's going to do the corners again. It's all snugly fitted in snugly.
There we go.
There you go. So now we have
Another pillow.
not the pillows yet. So now we have the flat sheet. So this is the flat sheet
So let's look at
before
the corner.
the doona.
So this is the corner. You might tag. I think it's on the right side. Room attendants, guys, have to do it quickly because bilang ang mga rooms na kanilang gagawin.
See how straight it is, yeah.
Okay, I think this is okay now.
Pretty okay, yeah. So now we tuck it all in again.
Alright. No, not yet.
Not yet. Now you put the doona on. Oh my gee.
A lot of things, guys.
There's
that
a
you
lot
have
of things to do.
Yes. So, if you're in a community, it is not easy. But if you've done it many times, then it's a different story. You can just really do it as quick as you can. But I cannot do that. Straight.
That's the doona.
Okay.
Now is the doona cover that goes on top of it. Okay. And that looks like another flat sheet, but thicker. Interesting.
Sometimes guys, that guy, okay,
because you're running out of time.
Exactly.
It's 5 minutes already.
Oh my god. Then I have to get pretty much when it comes to another room. And
This is wrong, you see?
And then we have to
Confused. Confused. Here we go again. Just wasted
No.
a minute.
Yes.
Here we go. Alright, so that's covering well. Yep. Very good. Very nice. Now we are ready to tuck in. Yep. A whole lot. There you go.
Right. Well,
Ready.
it's finished, guys. Actually, this one is not that, I think. Okay, what we're gonna do here, guys, is we are going to
Now the room attendant is going to think, why is the bed made when he comes in? And why is it made so professionally? Here we go.
Oh my god, this is wrong.
Oh no.
I don't know how we're gonna do it. No, because this is just different, guys. They're different.
It's a different hotel, so maybe they have a different way of doing it.
Yes. Sorry, I should just get some times that. Let's put this way. This is my own way of doing it. Professional guys can flatten this very well. Okay,
There you go.
now we're gonna,
Tuck it all in.
yes. Guys, how many minutes now? My gosh.
8 minutes and 52 seconds. Don't think you'd pass here.
So this is how you do it, guys, to have that. I don't think if I got the right, I think it's the wrong thing, guys. I'm sorry about that, but it's just a try. So you see this, guys, you have to use it. See, there's a shape now. We have to pull.
done.
Guys, this is not really the best because as you can see that there's some lumps, but
As I said, the room attendant will be very surprised.
it's not bad.
Not bad at all.
So it's okay.
Here we go.
Here's some physical. Okay. Then let's just pretend, guys, that the pillows are ready.
Fluff up the pillows. Look,
Yes.
fluff them up. I don't think you can leave it there, but anyway.
Yeah, just like,
Why don't you just leave it on the bed?
no, after making the bed, actually, woman, don't put anything there because if you put this,
Ah, it will,
Yeah.
yes.
oh my gosh, so,
So guys, just think. It's a lot of work going into doing up a bed properly. There we go.
it's not just not so nice because pretty years then it was nice, but
That's a lot of work. And how many minutes do you have to do a room? 15? Well, you spent 15 minutes doing a bed. Oh my gosh. 15 minutes? That's crazy.
it's even harder.
That's a lot of work.
It's even harder as hotel because you put the duvet
Hmm.
inside the.
So guys, next time when you go to a hotel, do leave the room attendant a tip because this is a lot of work.
Guys, there we go.
Here we go. It looks nice, but very hard work.
All right, thank you.